Wow. Well, that one just goes right back out.
There's a hole there, and that's where the first one thing is. It's just a corner. This is a corner. Let's put digging there. Just a bench. Let's dry it up.
That big rock slide on the way up, that was new. Yeah, that was definitely new. Because I've ridden my trials bike right up to here, and I can't do it now. Not with that big slide that fell off.